everyone, Morgan and Kid Rogue here. So today we are out and about and we are here to show you this navigation kit. Yeah! So I saw a video by Savage Survival that put together a navigation kit and I thought it was just such a great idea. Now he had a really nice Rite in the Rain pouch thing, but they don't make that one anymore. It's like $65 to get the exact one that he had. I'll put a link down to his video. So this is a pencil pouch that I found at Walmart. I use these all the time. It's for $1. Yeah, super cheap. Let's show them a real close up. So there's the container right there. Let's show you what's inside. Okay, so first we have a little flashlight just in case you're navigating, you know, in dusk or dark. What Kid Rogue just pulled out was a glow stick, a compass, map. I would like to get a bunch of topo maps, actually print out topo maps in my area. And then this is string. He said in his video that he uses string to mark on the map. This is something I'm not familiar with, however I do have it in here. And I also have a pen. I would like to get a pencil with an eraser. I'll get that eventually. Now this I just got. This is the Essie Rite in the Rain Survival and Navigation Notebook. This is so cool because it has so much information on the inside. You know, how to navigate, you know, tips on navigating, and then in the back it has the graphs and things to help you, you know, with your declination, you know, fire building, ground air signals, all that good stuff. This was $13 on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go find it for yourself. But I am so happy with this. I love it. It even has Morse code on the back and some short-term survival tips. But I love this little thing. It's great. I love this navigation kit. I think that it is great to have everything just together, you know. Now, I do need to brush up on my navigation skills for sure. And like I said, I want to add a couple things to this, like the topographical maps. You can print those from offline. And with the pencil and eraser. But I'm going to get the Stanley pencil that he said you can shave really good. And my husband has one. I just don't want to take his, so I'll just go get one myself. Anyway, so I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go see his. If anyone has any other suggestions about what I could add to this, let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. And don't forget to wear your analog watch. Talk to you tomorrow. There, it's Kid Rogue's watch now. You're the official navigator.